Good Tuesday morning, second day back to school. We are live this morning in Glendale, and we are at Burton Elementary. This is one of the coolest classrooms here. You're watching 12 News Today in AZ, live on 12 Plus. Coming up, we're going to break down what these little mice do and what it's teaching these kids.
School. It is underway for so many students across the state right now, and every day this week we have been kicking off our day at a different school across the valley. So this morning our Emma Jade, she packed her lunch, she got her book bag ready. She's at the Glen F. Burton Elementary School in Glendale there. Right. Good morning, Emma. Oh, look at her. She's helping them out in class.
Morning. I am, and you know me, I'm the best helper at 12 News. That's what at least my, principal says over there. Okay, we are in the coolest class here at Burton Elementary. By the way, Angel, you are doing a really good job with this. Maybe you should look into becoming a microphone holder. Is that something that you want to do? Mm-hmm. Oh, say it louder.
Yes.
This is all he's ever wanted to do. That's perfect. Jeez Louise. Angel, for real, what do you want to do when you grow up?
Hold the microphone.
Hold the microphone. Okay, show me what we're doing here, Angel. This is the STEAM classroom, where not only do they learn to code with this mouse, which, Monica, tell me a little bit about how this works. We got the mouse. We're going to put it on this first cube here. What happens?
If you want to go like straight, you're supposed to press like this, but you need to press like how many times you want to jump, like in straight.
What are some of your other favorite things to do in this class?
To go to PE.
Oh, that is fun. Okay, LA, we're putting up the walls here too. What do you love about this too? What's something fun that you learn when you come to the STEAM classroom?
This can be a maze for. It can be a maze.
And that is amazing, right? Yep, nothing like some puns for third graders. Gotta love it. All right, Miss Chavez is in charge in this class. Okay, Miss Chavez, I know you were in the middle of doing this, but this must be the coolest job. Not only do we learn to code, what else do we do in here?
We have our 3D printing stations. We do the morning news. We do, we have such a variety that we like to bring in. We do photography and videography. It really is bring your passion and find your purpose in this job. It's great.
I kind of can't believe the specific job that you get to do. You're a teacher, but you teach all these different kids who come in and get to really work with their hands and focus on STEAM. What is that?
The kinesthetic learning style is really engaging with that hands-on, real-world experience that the students get to have, and this innovates them over to get some interest in STEAM, which turn into passions that turn into careers that's going to change the world. We're in the age of technology, and it's important to keep up with those innovations and those demands for those technology skills, and that's what we do here at the STEAM program here at Burton.
I feel like they struck gold when they brought you over here, because this was actually something that you were already interested in, and now to be taking your passion and passing it on, that is incredible.
Oh, I learn from them all the time too. They teach me something, so it is a mutual learning and growth on both ends, and it's absolutely amazing to see them and what they can come up with.
Okay, we have a green screen over here. This is what's cool about this room, is that it's all different spots. So Ms. Chavez, this is the green screen where they do the news. What do you guys focus on there, other than just, replicating main anchor Justin Pizzera?
We talk about stuff that's going on around the school, whether that we're having Spirit Week or raising awareness for any of our social committees that are going on. We talk about world news. It's important for students to be able to expose about the world around them. Last year we had a segment about the Pope, and then we also had celebrity news. The students love getting into it. We do music projects. So yeah,
so cool.
During Dr. Seuss Week, we had an absolute different coverage of all of his books and the history and writing behind them. They do so much.
This is the 3D printing station that you guys also have here. What's printing right now? Is this, okay, you guys are the Cougars.
Yes, we got a Cougar keychain going on right now, so you guys can see live. This will take like 57 minutes left to print. Yeah. I can watch this from my computer as a live program, so the students will create a 3D model on Tinkercad, send that 3D design here, and I can watch it print live. And then we also have a Cougar coaster on this side being printed at the moment.
Okay, and you're teaching kids how to use Tinkercad. These are skills that they could use and translate into a career. This is elementary school.
Absolutely, that is the whole focus of our program, is because we're introducing them to new outlets of their technology. Some of them are really, really great working with their hands, and it's outside of the traditional construction, or it's outside the traditional jobs, and these are the demands for the jobs now. Is coding, it is 3D printing, it is in front of the camera. My students who love doing the media club, they're not in front of the camera, they're behind the camera doing stage production. So we offer a lot here at Burton for that, and I'm so glad to do it.
What I would give to go to school with a teacher like you, who is up on all of this stuff, who is like so passionate about it. Okay, guys, as we send things back over to the studio, can you tell me your favorite thing about this class?
My favorite thing is about that we get to play and stuff, and we get to the computer.
And the computer? That's so rad. Okay, on the count of 3, I want you guys all to look at the camera. And we're going to say, Justin Pizzera, back to, his name is so hard, isn't it? Justin Pizzera, back to you. Yeah, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Justin Pizzera, back to you.
Oh.
Emma's the best. You don't want to say that? Oh, Justin is always the favorite.
Oh, that is
It's
so
okay, I
good, Emma.
understand.
That is so
It's
good.
my life.
I love that they have it like a news studio over there. And I want to know what their celebrity news.
know. Can you believe?
I know.
No, it's just about you and who you're dating. Yeah.
All right.